Normally, all children learn to speak a language during the course of growing up. A 2-year-old in India learns to speak her own language while a child in Spain learns Spanish. One boy at the age of 5 begins going to a school. Another of the same age in a tribal settlement helps his father in farming and milking the buffalo. Yet another is adept at moving through the traffic on the roads to sell newspaper. The number of people in the family, the customs, traditions, values and beliefs of the family and community, economic status, residence in a village, a city, or a tribal settlement, whether in the hills, plains, deserts or seacoast, these are some of the factors that influence childhood experiences. Thus the society one lives in determines one's experience of childhood. This is what is meant by the socio-cultural context of childhood. Though we can speak broadly of the Indian culture and the values therein, the customs, beliefs and the way of life of people differ from one group to another. One cannot speak of a homogeneous or uniform Indian culture but rather of subcultural groups, each distinct from the other. This is because the groups differ with regard to economic level, education, occupation, region, language and religion. The child's experiences and what she learns during this period would be different in each of these groups. We can now read about the many factors that bring about variations in children's experiences in the following videos.